Hello everyone, this is model number 421, substation monitoring with controlling based on flood detection, earthquake detection and other parameters. First we will see hardware part of this project. This is a step down transformer, voltage regulatory circuitry, LCD, Arduino, buzzer, relay is used to switching a substation load. This circuit is used for frequency generation, DST11 temperature sensor, GSM is used to send SMS. This pot is used to vary voltage, float sensor, vibration sensor, and this pot is used to vary a frequency. Now we will see how this project works. This project runs on two mode, auto mode and manual mode. Whenever we start the project runs on auto mode. Now all the parameter like temperature, frequency, voltage, current, vibration sensor value, float value displayed on the LCD. Now first we will see for the voltage. Now voltage is below 250. Whenever it is greater than 250, that time this buzzer is on and this relay is off. Now I am not inserting bulb here because it is effect on our video, but that relay indicates that our substation is on or off. Whenever voltage increases above 250 volt, that time GSM send SMS as a over voltage. Now I will make this normal. Now it is less than 250, so this buzzer is off. Whenever it is below 180, also that time this buzzer is on and this relay is off. Now it is 179, so GSM send SMS as a under voltage. Now I will make this normal. So now it is 191, so it is a greater than 180 or below 250, so it is a normal. So this buzzer is off and this relay is on. Now we will see for the flood. Now float sensor value is 1, so this buzzer is off. Whenever flood is occurred, that time this value is 0 and relay is off and buzzer is on and GSM send SMS as a flood occurred. Flood occurred. Now we will see for the earthquake. Now this value changes 541. So that time earthquake is occurred, this buzzer is on and GSM send SMS as a earthquake occurred. Now we will see for the frequency. Now frequency is 50, so it is a normal. Whenever it is below 40 or greater than 58, that time this buzzer is on and this relay is off. Now I am changing this frequency. Now it is greater than 50, 58, 62. So that time this buzzer is on and this relay is off. And also GSM send SMS as a over frequency. Now it is a less than 40. That time 38 now. So that time this buzzer is on and this relay is off. And also GSM send SMS as a under frequency. Now it is 50 Hz, so it is a normal, so this buzzer is off. Now we will see for the current. Now I am inserting 100 watt bulb. So that time current is 0.40, so it is a normal current. Now I am inserting 200 watt bulb. Now current is overload, so that time our project is permanently off. So whenever we press reset button, then and then only our substation will start again. Now I am pressing reset. So our substation will start again. we will see for the temperature. Now temperature sensor value is 41, so it is greater than 40. So this buzzer is on and this relay is off, and also GSM send SMS as a over temperature 41 degree Celsius. Whenever it is below 40 degree, that time this buzzer is off and this relay is on. Now our temperature is normal, so this buzzer is off and this relay is on. Now our project runs on auto mode. Now I am sending SMS to the Arduino. That time our project will shifted from auto mode to manual mode. Now I am sending SMS as a state to the Arduino. That time Arduino send information about all the parameters. Like temperature, voltage, current, frequency, flood and earthquake. Now our substation is on. Now I am sending SMS as a load off. Load off. That time our substation is off, and also Arduino send SMS as a substation is off. It takes time to send a SMS. Substation off. Now I am sending SMS as a load on. So our substation is on, and also Arduino send SMS as a substation on. Now it is working on manual mode. That time it not checks the other parameters. Now I am changing this voltage. Now it is greater than 250, but that buzzer is not on because that is work on manual mode. Now I will make this auto mode. Auto mode. So that time our project is shifted from manual mode to auto mode. Now voltage is normal. Now it is greater than 250, so it is shifted from manual mode to auto mode. So it will send again message as a over voltage. Thank you.